MySQL is an open-source relational database management system, RDBMS. It uses structured query language, SQL, to store, manage and retrieve data. Think of it like a digital library where data is kept in a structured format, allowing for easy access, updates and management. It's widely used for web applications and various businesses due to its reliability, speed and flexibility. Perfect for anything from small projects to large-scale enterprises.